Assalamu alaikum. I'm at Masjid Nabwi. As you can see, the Minar there and the Rosa Park is there. The Bab-e-Salam entrance is there. And if I just pan round, we're going to head out from gate 314, 315. And this is for the ziyarat of the 4-5 masjids which are around here. Inshallah, once I get a bit closer, I'll record a bit more about that. But just to so that we know where to exit if we want to come and see these masjids. So gate 314 or 315, and the first one you can probably see in the background there is Masjid Ali. But I'll record a bit once I get a bit closer. So like I said, I'm just walking out of gate 314 and heading towards that first masjid that you can see in the background. I'm sure that's Masjid Ali, but I'll make sure once I'm closer. So there's the gate I walked out from, and this first one is Masjid Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. When I came in last time, I think they were still probably doing the work, but some of these masjids open at namaz time. Some of them don't open at all. But just here, it gives you the history of this. I'll just zoom in, so anybody who's interested can you can pause the video and read what this is all about. So this is Masjid Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Yeah, so that's Masjid Ali that we've just come out of, and as you can see, there's a masjid just behind it there. This was the last time I came down here. It was all closed. I think that's when all this construction, because there wasn't this square here. It was boarded up. So, but that masjid there is Masjid Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. So I'll just see if there's a notice on there telling us what the historical significance of that masjid is. Yes, so like I was saying, this is Masjid Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. As you can see, they're very close, directly behind Masjid Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. And here again, I'm going to take a close-up of the write-up, so we can see what the significance of these masjids is, what the historical significance is. So again, if interested, please pause the video and read this. It tells you all the history rather than me talk about it. So this is Masjid Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. So like I was saying, this is Masjid Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. And just as if I pan round, this bigger masjid here, this is Masjid Al-Ghamama. So again, very close there, you can see Masjid Nabwi there. A lot of these places people didn't know about before, and I'm really glad that these places have now been opened up, and then this wonderful square that people can walk around. A few years back, there's none of this. So again, I will try to go a bit closer and see if I can. A lot of these masjids are open as well now. When I've been in the past, they've been closed. Maybe it was the time of the day or whatever when I came, but they have been closed in the past when I've been here. So I'm going to try and see if I can zoom in and get a bit of the narrative from there. So this is Masjid Ghamama. That is the write-up about Masjid Ghamama. So again, if interested, please pause and read it. I'll try to zoom in as much as I can. So just behind Masjid Ghamama, as you walk down and past these, there's lots of cars waiting to take people to the various ziyarat from here. And if you just look here, there is this place, Lulu Hypermarket, and as I'm walking towards that, just behind that is Masjid Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. So Masjid Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu is just behind that, and let me just get a bit closer so you can there you are. So this is a bit more hidden, so you've got to sort of look for it, but it's just behind the Lulu market. There you can see. So just that is Masjid Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. there we are. As just like I was saying, so this is a bit hidden amongst all the tall buildings. So the other three are in a very open square, very easy to find. This is easy enough if if you're looking for it and you can't find it, just ask anybody, one of the cleaners or anybody like that. Inshallah, they should be in a position to tell you. Again, what I'm going to do is, I can see there is a board up there which tells us about the significance of this masjid, and let's see what the write-up says about this. Again, like before, I'll take a video and which you can pause and so this is the write-up about Masjid Umar Farooq Razillah Ta'ala anhu. Umar bin Khattab.